At the output, we get 0 voltage. At the input, 230 volt is available. After the fuse, there is no voltage. Fuse is blown. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how can we repair a switch mode power supply. This is a 5 volt power supply here. Let's plug in and check the output. As we can see, there is no voltage at the output. At the input, we have 230 volt is available. But after the fuse, there is no voltage. As we can see, the fuse is in blown condition. The fuse can be blown if there is any overload at the output. In most cases it happens if there is any component is shorted or damaged. Before we changing the fuse, we have to measure all the components in hot side area, that we have to confirm that there is no short circuit or any damages of the components. The diodes of the bridge rectifier are conducting in both direction, which means there is an issue with the circuits. Across the filter capacitor, circuit is shorted. The output of the capacitor is connected at the one end of the transformer primary winding. The other end of the primary winding is connected to the IC. Maybe the IC is shorted internally. Now let's check the capacitor. The capacitor value is only 1 nanofarad. This capacitor is damaged. After removing the capacitor, still there is a shorting on the circuit, which means IC is shorted. Let's remove the IC and replace with new one. The number of this IC is AP8022. Now let's replace this IC with new one. Before we fixing the IC, we have to check the marking on the IC. We can see the same marking on the PCB, which indicates the direction of the IC. We can place it on the same direction. As we can see, now there is no short circuit on the board. Now let's replace the capacitor and the fuse. No any other damages on the components. Now plug in the power supply and check the output. Now we can see, here we get 5 volt at the output. Now it's working good. That's all in this video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.